Hi guys, today we're looking at replacing a wheel bearing on the front axle of a VW Passat. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace a wheel bearing on the front axle of a VW Passat B8. For this you will need our wheel bearing kit WBE01 and these specialist tools. Before we get started, please bear in mind that wheel bearings are safety-relevant components. They support the vehicle's full weight. Please remember the importance of quality and don't mess around with them. To change the wheel bearing, first let's get the vehicle up on the ramp. Take the wheel off as we've done here. Now we are ready to move on to the next stage with our Passat. Remove the driveshaft, braking system, brake disc and ball joint. Don't forget that this differs from vehicle to vehicle. I've now exposed the wheel bearing on our car here. To complete the removal process we need a specialist tool. I'll be using our tool from Tool Box WBE01 together with a sliding hammer. Before we fit the new wheel bearing, we have to make sure that it's working perfectly. New generation wheel bearings have magnetic sensor rings. To check whether these rings have been broken during storage or delivery, we use a test card for magnetic sensor wheels. They are very simple to use. You just pull this tab and hold this section over the wheel bearing, and that allows you to check the sensor ring. If you can see a break there, the wheel bearing is damaged. This is what a damaged sensor ring looks like. This wheel bearing is all fine and can be fitted. Before we fit the new wheel bearing, we first need to clean the carrier. Now I can fit the new wheel bearing. Please follow the manufacturer's specifications and use the specified torques. Now I can tighten the wheel bearing bolts. On our Passat that means 90 Newton meters and 90 degrees. Don't forget that this differs from vehicle to vehicle. It's important to follow the manufacturer's specifications. The wheel bearing has now been fitted according to the manufacturer's specifications. Now I can put everything else back in place. Before sending the vehicle back out onto the road, please take it for a test drive. That's what I'll be doing now. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like or post in the comments, okay? See you again soon in the workshop.